This is Steve once more coming to you and to talk about Kiluba. We have few words again today we're going to add after a few days without adding anything. So we would like to talk about greetings. We started with talking about greetings a week or 2 weeks ago. Greetings.
Morning.
Greetings. So we in greetings in Kiluba we have Bufuku means night. Right? Bufuku night. Bufuku night. And then morning it's Lubanga. I didn't write those words. I felt like you already know them. Lubanga means Lubanga is morning, but that's not really the topic today. It's how to say good morning or something like that. We study good morning already, so we stay tuba imuna. It's mostly we are in plural. Sometimes say tuba na imuna means I say hi. Tuba imuna, it's I say hi to you, many of you. It may be one person, you can still say tuba imuna by respect. Okay, tuba imuna. It's written this way. I would like to write in order to help some people who do not know the orthograph. Tuba imuna. Okay, and then which means good morning, and you can say tuba imuna. I think you can say tuba imuna all along the day, and even nighttime. If you meet that person, you can say tuba imuna. Mostly tuba imuna is good morning, and then we have the other word. It's Kyolwa. Kyolwa. Kyolwa means night or evening. So Kyolwa means good evening. That's the way we can retain it. Okay? Good evening. Good evening. Kyolwa. Very good. Kyolwa. Not Kyo. Kyo. Say Kyo. Kyo. Kyolwa. No.
I'm very bad at this.
Say Kyo. 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 Lwa. Yeah. Kyolwa. All right. You're doing great. Kyolwa. Then we have. I also put the. When we want to say goodbye to somebody, we'll say what?
Shalapo.
Shalapo. Very good. We say bye. Shalapo. Okay. If you're leaving, you say shalapo. Shalapo mama means shalapo. Shalapo mama means bye mom or bye dad. Shalapo papa or shalapo tata. Papa means tata. Okay. Or dad. Okay.
Daddy.
Or daddy, which means papa or tata. Mostly papa is called tata or daddy. So shalapo means bye, okay? And I was still struggling. Lalapo means bye too, okay? Lalapo means bye. Did you catch that? You can say lalapo. Mostly, I believe that lalapo, lala means what? Sleeping. Yeah. If I say lala means I'm saying sleep. Lalapo means I believe it definitely look like a good night, but it's also means bye. Lalapo, okay? Lalapo means bye, or lalapo means good night. You want to go to sleep and you leaving me, you say lalapo, okay? We can say that. And then if we want to say shalapo means we leaving, we going far away, we leaving the house, or we can still say shalapo in the same house, and shalapo, I will see you tomorrow, something like that. So shalapo or lalapo, I believe that it's used interchangeably. I use it, lalapo means I leave you and sleep well. And I can say shalapo means bye, I'm leaving. Shala means stay. You understand? Yeah, stay. Shala naenda. Naenda means I'm leaving. And so shala means stay. So we can say shalapo, or we can say lalapo means sleep. So you understand, shalapo means stay well, and lalapo means sleep well. So we can use it interchangeably. When we visit people and we are leaving, we can tell them shalapo means bye, stay well. Or we can say lalapo means sleep well. Okay? Gotcha. So very good. And we have more words. This was lalapo. I didn't show it, I think. So lalapo. Lala means sleep. Always remember, trying to remember that. Lala means sleep. So you say lalapo means sleep, sleep well. Okay? Shalapo. Shala means stay. Shalapo means stay well. Then those are the words I prepared today, and we study. Thank you all of you for being here. You retain the word bufuku. I didn't write morning, which is lubanga. So those are a few words that you can use. Bufuku. I used to be tempted to say ke bufuku, saying somebody good night, but I don't hear it. It's not very popular. It doesn't sound in my ear that it's really popular. So those are the words today, and we'll continue practicing. We learn. We have too many words now. I believe by now we'll be speaking and surprising people speak Kiluba, fluently, and saying a word, they will be surprised. Say, "Wow, where did you learn that?" So come, many of you, and to keep listening and following those videos, you learn more. Continue teaching with passion, with happiness, with love. I would like you to know the language. It's important, especially when you have to go to North Katanga. Even if you don't go to North Katanga, it's a plus among other languages. So we'll see you soon, and God bless you.
Shalapo.
Shalapo, shalapo, shalapo.